Hey Siri, put on a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes starting now.
Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another video. This is going to be my first full wash day in my new apartment. If you haven't checked out my moving vlog, definitely check it out right here. I'm in a new space. It would definitely be way more aesthetic if I closed the door, but also I have to be practical. It will get warm in here and I'm gonna start sweating because I'm a sweaty bee. It's wash day and it's realistic, and it already took enough to set up these lights, set up this camera. F the aesthetics. We just gonna do wash day. I hope that's cool with y'all. If you are new here and you've never seen my face, but you like my face, definitely make sure to subscribe so you can stick around. Give this video a thumbs up. A like goes such a long way to support my channel. It lets me and YouTube know that you like this type of content and you want to see more of it. And obviously, sis ain't filmed in a long time and I'm kind of rusty, so bear with me. I will link all the products down below that I'm using today. No pressure to buy anything. So if you do want to pick something up, I always encourage you to click a link and save a like. It does support my channel, keeps content going, and I would love you forever if you shop through my links. I have not washed my hair in 3.5 weeks. Yeah, the saxophones are getting louder and louder. Usually, I wash my hair every week and a half pretty consistently, but with this new move, I just haven't really had the time, and quite frankly, I haven't really felt like it. I just haven't cared. I just been slapping a wig on or slapping my head wrap on and calling it a day. I'm starting wash day really late today, which is really not my preference. I'm starting at 5:57, way later than I ever would, but I've been spending the day trying to organize this place, unpack all that stuff, and that was just a little bit more important than wash day. Everything has been more important than wash day, hence I haven't washed my hair in forever. Gotta make time now because it's also time for a trim. After this video, definitely stay tuned for an update, a trim and update video like I have been doing the last several months. So stay tuned for that. I only re-moisturized my hair once since the braids have been in damn near a month, but my hair still feels really soft because maybe like 2 weeks in, I moisturized it with the Fenty conditioner, like the actual conditioner. That's not that great as a conditioner. I use it as a leave-in. Sometimes you just have to repurpose your products. My hair feels so soft. Borderline trash as a rinse-out conditioner, but as a leave-in, it's not too shabby, not too bad at all. Girl, my hair was so tangled. It was so tangled. Please remind me never to push off wash days so long. I cannot play those type of childish games because this detangling session, girl, it put me through. It honestly put me through. Like, can you see the struggle on my face? Do you see the struggle? You see how many times I had to stop and comb and stop and comb? Never again, sister. to shampoo my hair, time to wash my hair. Long overdue, it's been almost a month. I'm going in first with the clarifying shampoo. This is the Redken hair cleansing cream. Y'all have never, I don't think y'all have heard me talk about this on my channel, but I love her so much. It's one of my favorite clarifying shampoos. This is just amazing. It removes product buildup, excess oil, pollution, particles.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast when you know what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. But what you want? I don't know. My new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she's too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. Don't wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want.
Oh, I don't smell as good. I don't like that. I don't hate it, but it's not the Olaplex scent I'm used to. And I also have, I was not gonna buy these, y'all. I have the new Olaplex shampoo and conditioner for curly hair. Number 4 curl is the shampoo, number 5 curl is the conditioner. I think this is a gimmick. Olaplex is literally just putting this out to me as a cash grab because number 4 and 5 already work on type 4 hair as they are. Like, we don't need curl specific products. When it comes to curly hair, the only curl specific products we need are styling products. But shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners, you can use any shampoo, any conditioner, any deep conditioner. They have to be good, right? But you can use products not specified for curls and have great results. Like this Redken shampoo, this don't say nothing but no damn curls, but it works great on curly hair. Number 4 is already my favorite shampoo, the original number 4, and Olaplex has not sent me products in a long time, so I kind of have a feeling these products are not doing well marketing wise because their new deep conditioners, they never sent them to me. Their scalp scrub, they never sent that to me, so I don't think these are doing well because Olaplex don't left me for dead, even though I have like one of the best Olaplex videos for natural hair, but girl. Alright, y'all, time to move on to the next step in this process. Let's see what my hair is feeling like. Rinsing out the shampoos, my hair felt really, really good. So let's see what it feels like after drying down for 30 minutes. Like I always say, I do apply my deep conditioners and leave-ins to damp hair. It is just what works best for me. And not gonna lie, this shampoo experience was kind of immaculate. Definitely feels clean. It doesn't quite feel as soft as it did while I was washing it, but that's pretty normal. It's time to, you know, condition it and treat it. Redken hair cleansing cream, always a favorite. It applies really softening. You can detangle with it, but it's going to get your hair clean. I highly recommend this product. I've been using it for years. I've just never talked about it. Folks in the Insider Tea already know I love it. It's up there. You know, I love the K18. I love this too. I may even like this a little bit better than K18, but they're both my favorite cleansing shampoos. So yeah, I know one time in a video I talked about like a favorite shampoo and I didn't say what it was, favorite cleansing shampoo. I think in my sacred video, I was talking about this. I did compare it to my favorite clarifying shampoo right now, which is $3 an ounce. Love this so much. Then I went in with the Olaplex number 4 curl. So it doesn't have the same smell as the original Olaplex products. I don't like this scent as much. I feel like they wanted to differentiate it, so they put some stank on it. Like it still has that like Olaplex DNA, but it has this like, I don't know, it has this scent I don't really appreciate. I don't love the scent of it. Like the original Olaplex shampoo, you don't need a lot of this. I use way too much. Y'all saw how much bubbles I got. Like also it has like I don't know, velvety, foamy, slippery texture to it that the original didn't have. This also moves on your hand. So with the original, I felt like it would kind of stay, while this had some more give and room. So it's definitely not the same formula. It does feel like a different shampoo. This is more hydrating than the original shampoo. So how I would use these, I would use the original, because to me that's more like a maintenance. It's not too moisturizing, it's not too clarifying, it's in the middle. Like when my hair isn't super dirty, and then I go in with this as a moisturizing shampoo. This feels like a luxury shampoo, right? I like it. I was talking a lot of junk, and I still stand by what I said. I don't think this product was absolutely necessary in the Olaplex range, but at the same time, Olaplex doesn't really have a hydrating shampoo. Some people think that the number 4 is hydrating and it doesn't clean their hair enough, so obviously depends on your hair type. But do I think Olaplex needed to come out with this? No. But do I like this? I do. Do I like it more than number 4? I think they're different. You know, one is more like balancing, like I said, and one is more hydrating. But will I use this again? Absolutely. Yeah, so the shampoo so far, so good. I will use the conditioner, but I will use it after I do my treatment live. This is actually a mix of the Ashtay protein treatment that I talked about in my use up video. This is the last bit of it. I mixed it with the Dove Intensive Repair. It was really liquidy and I didn't enjoy it. So now that I'm back having my guar gum, I added some guar gum to it, so it has like a thicker consistency. So kind of like gummy. It's gonna apply way better. So this is, I guess, kind of a protein treatment. Ashtay is not a product that y'all can get on the ground. It's a salon product, but it's very similar. Not as good to me, but very similar to the Afro-G 2-step protein treatment. So I could have applied a little bit more guar gum for a thicker consistency, but I didn't really want it to be a gel. I still wanted it to kind of feel like a conditioner. And something when you put too much guar gum, you get straight gel. And to mix the guar gum, I added glycerin, and I can feel it. This glycerin is so moisturizing, so it definitely feels a lot It's a lot slipperier. It's slipperier. Whatever. Hopefully y'all could have heard, because I just realized my mic was turned the wrong way. It's more slippery than it was, but so is the glycerin, but also guar gum, because guar gum is also a detangling ingredient. Oh, this feels so much better. I haven't used guar gum in like a year and a half, and wow, I've missed it, because wow, it just makes everything better. Oh, I'm so glad to have my life back. So glad to have my life back. Lord knows. And I have not deep conditioned my hair in maybe 7 weeks, 8 weeks. Last time I washed my hair, I did not deep condition. So it's been some time. But my hair, honestly, even with skipping deep conditioning, has been feeling fine. So I'm like, is deep conditioning a scam like those BGC girls said? And maybe where they went wrong was not using leave-ins. I am curious. Do y'all think deep conditioning is a scam? I mean, shoot, everything that's natural hair game is a scam, to be honest. Do whatever the hell you want. That is the takeaway. Do whatever the hell you want. Alright y'all, we're wrapping up this wash day and I'm rinsing out my treatment. I'm not even sure if I should call it a protein treatment, a balancing treatment, girl, whatever I mixed up. I'm rinsing it out. And in this wash day, I could really see my heat damage. The ends of my hair they're straight compared to my roots. And I knew I had heat damage, but as my hair gets longer and my hair grows in thicker and fuller, my ends are really like, oh girl, they're looking straggly. But I'm not gonna cut them off right now. I'm just going to keep pushing through. Now it's time to go in with the number 5 curl, and this definitely has like a looser consistency than the original number 5. Number 5 was thick, it was gloopy, but this definitely has more give to it. None of them really have exceptional slip. This didn't really have good slip in my opinion, but I will say I do prefer it over the original number 5. Number 5 was never my favorite, but this new number 5, way better. Is it going to be a staple? Absolutely not. But is it a better product in my opinion? I do say so. I will definitely have to eat my words with all the junk I was talking at the beginning of the video. I still stand on the fact that I think Olaplex is cheapening their brand by coming out with too many products now. Capitalism is really capitalizing, and I'm not a super fan of that. But these are good products, and the shampoo number 4 curl is great. Yeah girl, that actually is amazing. But yeah, the conditioner was cool. Not something I would purchase with my own money. It is something that I intend to keep using and use up. Hey Siri, put on a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes starting now.
I do want to add, once I allowed the conditioner to sit, it definitely softened my hair. Once I rinsed it out, my hair was still soft. Once I air dried my hair and I went into blow drying my hair was still soft. So maybe the application just isn't the best. It leaves some things to be desired. But in terms of the softness, I'm gonna give it to the girl when it comes to softness. So I think some of y'all will actually absolutely love this conditioner. Anyway, y'all, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.